Hi guys, very rare in the market you have a day where just a lot of stocks are making some really stupid moves, like PLCE, for example, which is not the subject of this conversation about coin and MSTR and Bitcoin. But guys, it's just an example of how wild the market is right now. And if you just focus on shorting the bounces, you will do exceptionally well in this market, guys. So separate video on PLCE will be posted at some point today to break down what the hell just happened. The stock almost quadrupled and then slashed in half after that. But coin, guys, we're buying coin puts ahead of the report, and we're buying coin puts after the report. So despite of the recent huge drop and almost just as huge of a bounce in Bitcoin, guys, coin's got some other issues, and normally it is associated as a stock that highly correlated to the price action in Bitcoin and crypto. But I think there's too many signs to ignore here on the chart. There's major divergence as it bounces today. So we're shorting this bounce. We're shorted. What we've actually done, the stock on the chart now shows at 167. It was over 170. It was like 171, 172 area where we pulled the trigger on this one. And in case it's going to bounce after the earnings report, we don't expect that bounce to actually stay there for a while. As a matter of fact, even if it bounces after the earnings report, we're not even expecting this bounce to remain there overnight. So it may bounce, but when you open up your computer screens tomorrow on the 16th, it's probably going to be down quite a bit. Now, what's even more, I think even a better trade than Coinbase is MSTR. Because recently, well, man, we're making some good money on this one. It's at 753, guys. We shorted this above 800. So while I'm trying to record a couple of videos real quick after we got into these trades earlier, MSTR shoots above 800. And so this was an ultimate entry. You can see how well defined this divergence is. So price action goes to the highest level on this chart, but yet RSI does not follow. Grand reversal in the making for MSTR. So we're buying puts, guys. I ain't gonna lie, we're buying a way out of the money because we're expecting a huge reversal, huge move. And finally, if we take a look at Bitcoin itself, right? So let's glance at that. I mean, the chart is highly bullish on Bitcoin, but you got to catch those moments because things don't remain so freaking bullish forever. And there's just so, like, this is almost just as perfect as it fucking gets for a chart. And sometimes it pays to short charts that are perfect, and it pays to buy charts that are ugly as hell. So a little bit of a reverse psychology here in this one, but guys, a lot of people could be let down. I'm not saying it's going to crash to 20,000, 25,000. I'm saying a reasonable pullback, maybe back to 45, is very likely to take place here. So, or at least based off the action in the stocks that accurately predicted this drop in Bitcoin and this drop recently, Coin and MSTR will often max out before the price of Bitcoin will max out. So looking at these things, common trade Bitcoin with 13 market moves. We had some huge trades in January. We promptly shorted the top, caught the 10,000 point move lower, and reversed at the very bottom of that move. Recently, we've been waiting for a perfect entry on this. I think today's day. February 15th, guys. So let's rock. Coin puts, MSTR puts, Bitcoin puts. Guys, it's easy. Short the fucking bounce. Let's roll.